Welcome back to our channel Wizard, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of biking. Today we've got some exciting innovations to share with you that are sure to take your cycling experience to the next level. From versatile cargo solutions to cutting-edge safety devices, we've got it all covered. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Argo Cargo Kit. First up, let's talk about the Argo Cargo Kit, the ultimate solution for those who need the versatility of both a regular bike and a cargo carrier, but without the extra space. With just a simple attachment, this innovative kit can transform your ordinary bike into a sturdy cargo carrier capable of hauling loads up to 68 kilograms. And the best part? It's quick, it's easy, and it's priced at just $1,150. Say goodbye to space constraints and hello to endless possibilities with the Argo Cargo Kit. Monkey Cycle. Now, let's talk about a game changer in the world of children's bikes, the Monkey Cycle. Say goodbye to the days of buying a new bike every time your child outgrows their old one. With 8 different models in one, Monkey Cycle evolves alongside your child, from a pushable mini car for toddlers to a fully functional pedal bike for older kids. Starting at just $200, it's an investment in years of fun and adventure for your little one. Foldy Lock Compact. Next on our list is the Foldy Lock Compact, the ultimate defense against bike theft. This isn't your ordinary bike lock. It's compact, it's foldable, and it's incredibly robust. Tested against saws, wire cutters, hammers, and extreme temperatures, this lock is built to withstand anything a thief might throw at it. Plus, its sleek design allows it to attach directly to your bike frame, so you never have to worry about carrying it separately. Priced at just $85, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Segment 4. Hexagon. Safety is paramount when it comes to cycling, especially in busy city streets. That's where Hexagon comes in. This innovative taillight connects to your smartphone, providing real-time video of the road behind you while also serving as a direction light and brake light. With its intermittent mode, Hexagon increases your visibility on the road, especially in low light conditions. Priced at just $40, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind on your daily commute. Moto Perilla Carbo. We have the Moto Perilla Carbo, the ultimate statement bike for those who crave attention and style. With its aggressive tires, high-performance electric motor, and carbon fiber frame, this bike is designed for both style and substance. Whether you're cruising city streets or hitting off-road trails, Moto Perilla Carbo delivers unparalleled performance and style. With prices ranging from $6,000 to $11,000, it's an investment in luxury and adventure that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. DURO Rise. Let's talk electric with the DURO Rise from the American company DURO Bikes. Blurring the lines between scooter and motorcycle, the DURO Rise packs a punch with its 1,000-watt electric motor, reaching speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour. With a range of 64 kilometers on a single charge and adjustable pedal assist, this electric ride is perfect for both leisurely cruises and tackling steep hills. Plus, its multi-purpose tires and adjustable suspension ensure a smooth ride on any terrain. Prices start at $2,400, offering unmatched performance and style for electric bike enthusiasts. reTyre Modular Tire System. The reTyre Modular Tire System is tailor-made for you. Created by the Norwegian company reTyre, this ingenious system allows you to literally transform your bike with ease. With several tire options and a quick, hassle-free replacement procedure, adapting to changing terrains has never been simpler. Just carry an extra set of tires in your bag and switch them out in less than a minute thanks to the heavy-duty zipper. Whether you're cruising on asphalt, sand, gravel, snow, or off-road trails, reTyre has you covered. Prices range from $45 to $88, making it an affordable upgrade for any bike enthusiast. Unit One Faro. Safety meets innovation with the Unit One Faro bike helmet. Not only does it provide protection, but it also enhances visibility on the road, especially in low-light conditions. Equipped with a full system of LED lights at the front and rear, this helmet ensures you're seen by motorists while signaling braking and turning intentions. With water resistance, smart ventilation, and a price tag of $169, the Unit One Faro offers peace of mind and comfort for every ride. Stroke Cargo Trike. Get ready to haul with the Stroke Cargo Trike from the Japanese company Inventions. Featuring a unique three-wheeled design and two large capacity compartments, this electric vehicle is built for transporting heavy loads with ease. With independent suspension for added stability during turns and a range of 150 kilometers in the most economical riding mode, the Stroke Cargo Trike is a game-changer for urban commuters and delivery services alike. Bosch Kiocks. We have the Bosch Kiocks, the ultimate onboard computer for your bike. With its intuitive interface and seamless integration with your smartphone via Bluetooth, the Kiocks guides you to your destination with ease, offering turn-by-turn directions, distance tracking, and more. This compact device ensures you never lose your way on your cycling adventures. Half bike. First up, we have the half bike, a compact and lightweight standing bicycle that offers a truly unique cycling experience. With its foldable quick-release system, you can take it practically anywhere and have a blast while getting a fantastic workout. Whether you're pulling off impressive stunts or simply cruising through the streets, the half bike's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and exhilarating ride every time. Folding tuck bike. Next, let's talk about the folding tuck bike, a full-sized bicycle with a twist. Designed by Alex Animashan, this innovative bike features a folding wheel design that allows it to collapse down to a size small enough to fit under your desk. Unlike other foldable bikes, the wheels of the tuck bike can be taken apart with ease, making it incredibly convenient for urban commuters. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for taking on the train or storing in tight spaces. PETA Arc Light Smart LED Lights. Visibility is key when riding, especially at night. That's where the PETA Arc Light Smart LED lights come in. Made by Redshift Sports, these innovative lights not only enhance your bike's appearance, but also improve your safety on the road. With their biomotion technology, they automatically light up when the bike is in motion, making you more visible to motorists. Plus, they can be easily fitted to various parts of your bike, including the pedals, seat post, handlebars, or helmet. Redshift Shock Stop Suspension Seat Post. Comfort is paramount, especially when tackling rough terrain. That's where the Redshift Shock Stop Suspension Seat Post comes in. With its lightweight and sleek design, this seat post provides an extra 35 millimeters of motion, cushioning the blows of uneven surfaces. By reducing shock by 60%, it allows you to ride faster and farther without feeling fatigued. Paired with the suspension stem from Redshift Sports, you'll enjoy an even smoother and more enjoyable riding experience. Effigear. Calling all mountain bikers. Say goodbye to aching legs with the Effigear. This French innovation replaces traditional derailleurs with a gearbox, offering seamless gear changes for smoother climbs and breathtaking views. Revolve. And finally, we come full circle with the Revolve. This revolutionary wheel design opens new possibilities for foldable vehicles, making transportation easier and more accessible for everyone. The Revolve wheel is not just a wheel, it's a game changer. With its innovative design, it seamlessly integrates into a wide range of foldable vehicles, from bicycles to wheelchairs and everything in between. What sets the Revolve apart is its simplicity and compactness. Unlike traditional wheels, which require complex mechanisms for folding, the Revolve features a streamlined design that allows for quick and easy assembly and disassembly. Kango. Experience the future with Kango, a groundbreaking fusion of bike and intelligent autonomous robot. With its 3 wheels and autonomous capabilities, Kango delivers a unique riding experience unlike any other. And while it's currently a research project, its potential is simply mind-blowing. Wazuma V8M. Prepare to be amazed by the Wazuma V8M, a bespoke motorbike featuring a powerful 460 horsepower Italian V8 engine. With only 10 numbered copies available, this limited edition machine offers unparalleled performance and exclusivity. Bio-Hybrid. Revolutionize your commute with the Bio-Hybrid, a versatile electric vehicle that combines the agility of a bicycle with the convenience of a small car. Available in passenger and cargo versions, it's the perfect solution for urban mobility. Trigo. Meet Trigo, the ultimate hybrid between a motorbike and a car. With its enclosed cabin, steering wheel, and motorbike-like agility, Trigo redefines urban transportation, offering a thrilling yet safe ride. Hydrofoiler XE1. Take your biking adventures to new heights with the Hydrofoiler XE1, the world's first hydrofoil e-bike. Whether you're cruising on water or land, this rugged and compact bike delivers an exhilarating ride like no other. Biski. Experience the best of both worlds with Biski, a motorcycle and jet ski hybrid that seamlessly transitions from land to water. With its powerful engine and amphibious capabilities, Biski is your ticket to thrilling aquatic adventures. Carcon. Discover the future of electric cargo bikes with Carcon, an award-winning blend of technology and craftsmanship. Designed for smooth and efficient urban cycling, Carcon is equipped with innovative features like a special child door for added convenience. Scorpion Hoverbike. Soar through the skies with the Scorpion Hoverbike, a futuristic flying bike that's as thrilling as it is daring. With its cutting-edge design and powerful propulsion system, the Scorpion offers an adrenaline-fueled flying experience like no other. Lazareth LMV 496. Experience the pinnacle of engineering with the Lazareth LMV 496, the world's first operational flying motorcycle. With its jet turbine-powered wheels, the LMV 496 defies gravity, offering a truly one-of-a-kind riding experience. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button down below to join our community of wizard enthusiasts. Which of these cycling inventions impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting innovations and cycling adventures. Happy riding!